Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so as you can tell, you see the fender gone, the hood is unbolted, so we can just remove it if we like to, if we need to, of course, as well. So today's video is going to be focusing on the suspension of this car, because when I was cleaning the undercarriage, and I mean cleaning, and it's still not done because it seemed like somebody took this car mudding, because there's like layers and layers and layers and layers of mud, like almost like brick size, chunks of mud. It was bad. So when I was spraying it down, you can just see all these chunks just falling off, and some of them you'll have to like spray for a while just so it can like deteriorate and finally break free. But you will not be able to see no suspension parts, you will not be able to see nothing underneath because it was so filthy. And one thing that I did notice, that the suspension was looking kind of off. It seemed like some of the parts were like in a 90-degree angle and extremely bent. So that's what we're going to be doing today, is focusing on the suspension to see if everything's ready to go, and we're going to be comparing it to that one, and we're going to be checking out the rear as well. So you see all this play? That play's not supposed to be there. So now I compare it to the other side. No play. It's on there tight. That's your sway bar right there. And these are the sway bar bushings right here. And this is where it connects to. Right there. The piece that the other side has really badly damaged. Also, what we gotta do is, you see all these lines right here? You see how they're still covered in dirt. This is still covered in dirt. What we gotta do is we gotta clean this off. Okay guys, so we got some of it dry. I got the blower, and yeah, I ran out of battery like 5 minutes into the session. So what we're gonna be doing now is putting everything back, letting it dry, and then come back to it and address the issues that we're having with the sway bar and also the tie rod. Okay guys, so this is gonna be the end of the video. I know, sad to say, but we're gonna come back to it, don't worry, because I'm actually really excited to keep on working in this car and to finally drive it, maybe slide it a little bit, but at this state it won't be able to because the sway bar link. So what we're gonna be doing is letting it dry, like I said in the video, and we're gonna be coming back to it. We're gonna be doing some research. We're gonna be working on some other cars. Meanwhile, this dries and gets to the point where we can start it again.